Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just changing some pipework that's leaking on a booster set. So beforehand, I'm just checking the pressure that we're getting from the cold water booster set before I start. I've got pump number 1 and pump number 2. Pump number 2 over here, which is currently running, has got a leak on it, and I'm going to repair that leak. Okay, I'm going to turn pump number 2 off, and hopefully pump number 1 should come on automatically. Yes, pump number 1 has come on, and pump number 1 is operating at 3 bar also. There's my pump down here that is leaking. It's got a tubular clip on it and a bit of rubber hose, but that could only hold for so long. Time to isolate. $17 mil. Just hoping that these valves aren't letting by, and that it eventually drains the remaining water in the pipework. To keep an eye on the pressure in the building and ensure that pump number 1 keeps running without any problem whilst I'm doing work on pump number 2. Okay, 5 minutes in and still draining, but it's only a little bit of water coming out, so let's let a little bit more. Can direct this so that it's not spraying up everywhere. Okay, it's been draining for, I'd say, 10 minutes, and it doesn't seem to be letting off the pressure, so I have a funny feeling the valves are letting by. I just don't want to shut off the water to the entire building, but I might have to prefab my pipework and shut the water off for about 5 minutes at best. So I'm going to get my pipework ready to throw it in and isolate the supply and just, isolate the supply to the building. Gonna try to contain some of this water soon. There's a drain in here, but we don't want water all over the place. Giving the pipework a file. Okay, building notified. Water, mains water to the whole building is going to be shut off. Pump off. Butterfly valve off. Okay, the valves, the cold water storage tank valves are off as well, so we're ready to go. Let me switch off my water heaters as well. I'm in a fixed position here, won't be able to get this out, so I either have to cut, but even when I cut, getting my other fitting in will be difficult. My other pipe works, so I'm going to disconnect here and hopefully reseal well here.